Welcome to AI Empowerment Speedrun Episode 1. By the end of this video, we are going to learn about AI and what is ChatGPT. During these days in news also, we have learned a lot about ChatGPT. But sometimes you think, what exactly is that? What exactly is AI? How the world is advancing? This is covered in our course. Well, let's start with the basic definition of artificial intelligence. What is an artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI machine enables perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language understanding. AI or artificial intelligence, it's a set of code. But what makes it different is that it recognizes pattern, processes data, and learns from the mistake without explicit human help. What does it mean when it learns from the mistake? AI aims to mimic human thinking process and decision making and problem solving capability. At its core, AI is like a young student in a classroom. AI observes and analyzes its errors and learns. So, what exactly is the process it goes through? AI system observes and analyzes the error made during the operation, followed by, basis on the analysis, the AI adjusts its internal parameters or algorithm. Basically, it learns, unlearns, and then relearns. After adjusting, the AI optimizes its future performance to reduce future errors. Through this iterative process, like a loop, through this looping, the AI continues to improve its decision making ability. Over the time, learning from mistakes enables the AI system to achieve higher levels of accuracy and efficiency. AI is not just shallow concept, it's a deep concept. It has many different fields, such as symbolic learning, machine learning. So let us learn each of these different fields. Don't worry, we are only going to cover basics. AI, which you have learned, is building machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. It is divided into two main branches of learning. First is symbolic learning. As the name suggests, utilizing symbols and logic to learn from data and making decisions. Under this, there are two different softwares. First is image processing and computer vision. Computer vision is like giving computer and eyes to recognize and understand. Image processing is manipulating and analyzing digital images to enhance or extract information. Later we are going to learn click draw, which is an image processing AI. Then we have computer vision. It enables machine to interpret and understand visual information from the world. Then we are going to learn about machine learning. It allows computers to learn pattern and make prediction without explicitly being programmed. What makes AI different from programming is that it can learn without explicitly being programmed. It understands and analyzes and it changes itself as per the surroundings. It has two main learnings, statistical learning and deep learning. Statistical learning is using data to make predictions. For example, speech recognition and natural language processing. What is speech recognition? It's converting spoken language into text for commands or interaction with computers. And natural language processing is enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Have you ever heard of Siri, Sophia the robot? Yes, these are all natural language processing. Then we have deep learning. Deep learning is technique which it teaches computer what comes to humans naturally by birth. We are born with sight, emotion. These are the things which makes us humans. But what we incorporate this into AI, then this technique will come under the deep learning. Then deep learning also requires vast amount of neural network. It's a computational model inspired by human brain used for various tasks of AI. It's like the nerves. It transmits information from one node to another for effective communication of AI. This is broadly what AIs can be classified into. What is machine learning and deep learning? What exactly? For example, it's basic. We take ourselves a car as an input. I will type what is a car in a machine and then it will classify if the output is a car or not. But under deep learning, like we are born with sight, the AI itself will analyze what are the features of car and then it will classify its output is car or not a car. This is the main difference between machine learning and deep learning. There are also different types of AI, strong AIs and weak AIs. The most of the types we are going to learn today in these sessions are weak AI. It refers to systems that are specially designed for specific tasks or narrow domains. Weak AI can perform particular functions proficiently but that lack general intelligence, like ChatGPT. This is what we are going to cover in the course. ChatGPT can only generate text, whereas ClipDrop (DALL-E) is only used to generate images or specific modules. Whereas a strong AI refers to AI system with human-like cognitive abilities and potential to perform any intellectual task that human can do. Strong AI is a fictional concept, but it's our goal to move towards many weak AIs to one strong AI. Those who have seen Marvel movies must have heard of Jarvis. Those who haven't, Jarvis is a AI made in Iron Man. It can be classified as a strong AI. So let us move to the most interesting part, ChatGPT, prompt engineering. But to understand what is ChatGPT, we must look outside. What is an open AI? OpenAI is an AI research lab founded on December 10, 2015 with a mission to benefit humanity with artificial intelligence. OpenAI was founded on December 10, 2015 in San Francisco. Then in 2018, with collaborative effort of many scientists, it launched GPT-1. OpenAI introduced just GPT-1 with 117 million parameters. Then OpenAI releases GPT-2 with 1.5 billion parameters. You can see the size of the circle are the amount of parameters, but it pales in comparison with ChatGPT 3, which has released with over 175 billion parameters. In 22 September 21, it has introduced Whisper, human level speech recognition. Then ChatGPT or OpenAI was released to public and it had gained millions of users within few days. It was made public on November 30, 2022. Alright, let us learn now ChatGPT for which you are desperately awaiting for. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI based on 3.5 architecture. The current free model everyone is talking about or we are going to learn is 3.5. But there are modules such as 4 and AI has just announced module 5 coming up, but it's still in the process of training. We don't know how many years it will take for it to be announced and released to public for use. It is a cutting-edge conversation AI that can generate human-like responses in natural language. It has been trained on a vast amount of data, making it adept at generating contextually relevant responses. ChatGPT uses deep learning techniques to understand and respond to human inputs. It can engage in interactive conversation, answer questions, and provide explanations and much more. But all things we need to beware is that ChatGPT, the version we are going to use, the data is limited till September 2021. The thing that makes ChatGPT different from Google Assistant or Siri is that Google Assistant and Siri use the knowledge already present on Google or any other platform to extract information. ChatGPT takes the billions of parameters and uses it creatively to create. Later, we are going to learn and see that ChatGPT can be used to make poems, stories, etc. The ChatGPT 3.5, which we are going to use, is free for use. It focuses more on speed, but you can see later as the reply It's more mechanical. It feels like you are talking to a machine, though it's interactive. But at one point, you can feel it. You are talking to a machine, not to another human. As ChatGPT 4, though it's paid about $20 per month, it focuses more on natural flow of language and it's more adaptive and flexible for use. So ChatGPT can also act and play various roles. For example, tutor, translator, research assistant, writer, interviewer, coder, code debugger, and tool guide. We are going to see how to utilize all the ChatGPT's facilities through a course called Prompt Engineering, which we will upload as episode 2 of ChatGPT Prompt Engineering, working with AI Empowerment Speedrun. Let us learn few of achievements of AI to get you more motivated for learning and attending next episode. Achievements of AI till date. Image recognition, natural language processing, automated vehicles like Tesla. You see, it drives on its own. Driverless vehicles. It is done only using AI. It utilizes image recognition, lifetime, and then crop most appropriate paths for drivers to take. Then we have healthcare. Healthcare is an important facilities and it uses highly trained AI as it deals with human life. AI has achieved lot of achievement in healthcare. Then we have virtual assistant, Alexa, followed by robotics. It's obvious AI is used in robotics highly, intensively. There are companies such as Boston Dynamics which exclusively deal with robotics and AI. If you have time better, check out their videos. Then fraud detection. This point is important, especially in commerce. NSC and RBI uses AIs to detect frauds, to monitor thousands, if not billions of accounts to detect fraud activity. For example, if you see in your Gmail account, few of your messages go to social, few of your message go to spam, and others come in inbox. We have trained AI, or the Google especially has trained Gmail AI to recognize the spam messages. Lastly, we have Amazon's recommendation system. Things you would like to buy, products people have already brought it with, must try products. People who have ordered this have also ordered that. This is the recommendation system. Except this, sometimes you start typing on your mobile. Interesting things automatically be given words which make more sense in a sentence. This is also a recommending system that your mobile AI has trained to process. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our next video too. Next video we are going to start about prompt engineering. This video is a must watch. You will learn a lot of new things here and basic of how to use ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.